Hi, I'm James Wee. I've constantly been following Linus training because I find that he is very enlightening in terms and very proactive. He's very inspiring when he comes to teaching, very passionate, I would say.
Hello everyone, I'm Fiona Boo. Okay, thank you Linus and thank you Huttons for today's Super App training. It's actually easy and very useful. And one of the things I find that for this training is the Super Suite. It's actually fast and clear for my presentations to my client.
Hi, I'm Hui Ling. After today's activity, I managed to bring in a potential buyer looking at Union Square. Thank you, Linus and Huttons, for the training.